Decoder. Decoders can detect a code and activate a single output to signal the presence of that code. Decoders have many applications, from producing system alerts in alarm systems to performing the task of driving multiple devices in microprocessor systems. Example, memory. Decoders in general transform a set of inputs into a different set of outputs which are coded in a particular manner. Decoders are also available to convert numbers from binary to BCD, from binary to hexadecimal, etc. Basic binary decoder. The function of the binary decoder is to determine if a given input combination has occurred. For example, if we wish to detect that 1011 occurs on the inputs of a digital circuit, we must design a decoder which only outputs 1 for this instance. Accordingly, a 4-input AND gate and an inverter may be employed as illustrated. The 3-bit binary decoder. In order to decode all possible combinations of 3 bits, 8, 2 to the power 3 equals 8, decoding language gates are required. This type of decoder is called the 3-line to 8-line decoder because there are 3 inputs and 8 outputs. Design issue. Let us consider the design of such a decoder and assume that we require active high outputs. That is, for a given input combination, the decoder outputs 1. Such as inputs A2 equals 0, A1 equals 0, A0 equals 0. Output D0 equals 1, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7 equals 0. Inputs A2 equals 0, A1 equals 0, A0 equals 1. Output D1 equals 1, D0, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7 equals 0. To illustrate, let's consider table shown which lists the decoding functions and truth tables for the 3-line to 8-line decoder. Decoding functions and truth tables for the 3-line to 8-line decoder. Logic symbol for the 3-line to 8-line decoder. The BCD to decimal decoder. The BCD to decimal decoder converts each BCD code to its decimal equivalent. Design issue. The technique employed is very similar to the one used in developing the 3-line to 8-line decoder. Again, assuming active high outputs are required, table given lists the decoding functions for BCD to decimal decoder. Now, we can develop a decoder based on each logic function and implement the sum of products logic circuit. This is illustrated in figure.